Have you ever wondered why some businesses rake in massive profits each month while others struggle just to survive? What if I told you that a monthly income of $10,000 is well within your reach, but the path involves steering clear of common pitfalls? This isn't about putting in more hours. It's about avoiding crucial mistakes. Today, I'm going to highlight 7 common mistakes that could be holding you back from standing out and achieving significant financial success. Mistake 1. Imagine you're at a crossroads. The well-trodden path is filled with 99% of entrepreneurs who never meet their financial goals. They're overwhelmed and uncertain where to start. The other path, less traveled, leads to success. Today, we choose the latter. The first major hurdle is simply getting started. It might seem minor, but just signing up and initiating your business is an essential step that 80% of people overlook. By taking this initial action, you're already more likely to succeed than the vast majority who never even start. Once you begin, you're on your way to achieving those financial milestones. Now, as we dive deeper, if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to Profitability Plus. Your support encourages us to bring more useful strategies directly to you. Mistake 2. Now, let's address the second major challenge many entrepreneurs face: the fear of entering what appears to be an oversaturated market. Many of you might think, with millions of sellers out there, how could there possibly be room for more? But here's the thing: the notion of too many sellers is just a myth that holds back potential success stories. Lexington Prince is an inspiring example of a company that has successfully adopted AI to create unique artworks. They began their journey in August 2023, and in just 4 months, they have achieved about 13,000 sales. Rather than trying to compete with the millions of other products out there, they focused on carving out their own niche, and it has paid off for them. Maintaining momentum can be challenging without immediate results, but remember, achieving success typically requires persistence and a long-term perspective. Mistake 3. One of the biggest challenges for entrepreneurs is the time commitment required. It can be tough to invest hours into a project without immediate or guaranteed returns. However, allowing your business time to develop is crucial. Take a Denver-based shop specializing in high-quality prints. Their success isn't due to flashy branding, but consistent effort over time. Since 2015, they've posted over 2,000 listings and now earn over $113,000 monthly, mostly as profit. Is it worthwhile to create 2,000 products for $113,000 monthly passive income? Investing years into a business that yields such returns is more appealing than many traditional jobs. This example underscores that patience can lead to significant outcomes. Regularly listing products, even just one daily, can build up to substantial passive income over years. If you're unable to push through slow periods, you might miss out when your efforts eventually pay off. With consistent, modest effort and time, success is not just possible, but likely. Mistake 4. Another critical mistake that prevents 99% of people from reaching their business goals is relying solely on motivation. When motivation wanes, which it inevitably does, having a robust system in place becomes crucial. This system should enable you to work effectively at different stages, regardless of your current feelings towards the work. Most people who start businesses throw everything at the wall, hoping something sticks. Only a tiny percentage take the time to build out a system that truly allows them to scale efficiently and sustainably. A strong system is not just about handling the tasks you enjoy, it's about maintaining productivity even when you're not feeling inspired. This means setting up routines and processes that automate or simplify the repetitive aspects of your work, allowing you to focus on innovation and growth. For example, once you have a template, you can quickly adapt it to create new products, which significantly speeds up the process of listing new items for sale. This approach not only maximizes your productivity, but also enhances your shop's visibility and potential revenue. Mistake 5. In the world of print on demand, one of the less obvious yet critical keys to success is the focus on mastering one product at a time. This approach might seem counterintuitive, as many entrepreneurs try to cast a wide net by offering multiple products to capture more sales. However, this often backfires. The top 1% of successful sellers who focus on just one product almost always outperform those who don't. Take, for example, a shop that specializes in camper mugs. This shop doesn't just sell any mugs, they've honed in on print-on-demand camper mugs specifically. Their focused approach has resulted in over 21,000 units sold, netting an estimated $111,000 in just 1 month. Another shop focuses solely on ornaments. You might think, ornaments, but those are just seasonal. Yet, this shop has made millions of dollars since its inception 5 years ago. Even newer shops focusing on a single product, like ornaments, quickly make hundreds of thousands of dollars. By mastering one product at a time, you not only gain entry into the market, but also excel in it. This strategy works across various niches, from t-shirts to phone cases. My own experience mirrors this. Each of my 6-figure shops focuses on one specific product, allowing for a more effective strategy than competitors who spread themselves too thin across multiple products. Now, it's crucial to recognize that focusing on a single product can initially feel like you're missing out on other opportunities. However, this singular focus maximizes your potential earnings with that product, making your business more effective against competition. Once a product is successfully scaled to a profitable level, you can consider running multiple shops, each focused on different products. This is how I manage multiple successful shops, each dedicated to a single print-on-demand product. Mistake 6. Lastly, a common barrier that prevents many from succeeding in print-on-demand is disbelief in their own potential. It's vital to surround yourself with successful examples and real-life data that illustrate what's possible. Join communities like the ALEC Discord to see successes from others who are in the same position as you, running similar businesses. This exposure helps foster a belief in your capabilities and aligns your actions with those of successful entrepreneurs. Remember, this business isn't reserved for a select few. It's open to anyone willing to commit to learning and trying. By focusing on one product, you too can transform your business into a profit-generating machine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Profitability Plus. Together, let's unlock the potential of your business and achieve remarkable success. Stay motivated, stay focused, and as always, stay dangerous.